Hello everyone, my name is Praveen Kumar Sriram. I am a Microsoft certified trainer, author, and working as a solutions architect. Today we are going to learn about a topic called Bicep. Before even we talk about Bicep, let's first understand what is Azure infrastructure. In any given project, usually you will have multiple environments. For every environment, you will have a different resource group. For the sake of example, in this slide, I have two environments, one for QA and one for prod. These are the two resource groups in which we will have Azure services. In my QA resource group, I have a web application which interacts with multiple APIs. The first API in this case is talking to storage account. The second API probably would be interacting with another service called SendGrid for sending any notifications. And then you might have few more APIs which might talk to your database. In this example, we have Cosmos DB. And then you also might have some background services. And finally, you might have some services which are used for monitoring purpose. And we have similar services even in production environment. Now, how do you create all these services in Azure? There are multiple ways in which you can create all these services, but let's understand what are the various ways in which you can create these services in Azure. One of the most common one is Azure Management Portal. You can create many resources using Azure Management Portal. And then the next option that you have is Azure CLI. It is also called as Azure Management Core Tools. The third option is PowerShell. You can use Azure PowerShell for creation and management of Azure services. And finally, the most common one is IAC. All these four options internally utilize something called as Azure Management REST APIs. The most common one is IAC. Let's talk about IAC now. What is IAC? IAC stands for Infrastructure as Code. IAC can be used for provisioning Azure services and also management of Azure services. So the provisioning and management of Azure services can be done via code. That's why it is called as Azure Infrastructure as Code. Now, because the infrastructure is developed as code, so you can maintain IAC scripts in version control systems like Git. In the same way, developers maintain their code in the version control systems. There are many popular IAC tools available in the industry. One of the most common one that is used for IAC is ARM templates. And then you also have Terraform. These two are very popular IAC tools used in Azure world. And now a new one called Bicep has been introduced. Today we'll learn a little bit of Bicep, but Bicep will also become popular in the industry in the upcoming future. Now, what is Bicep? Bicep is a domain-specific language that can be used for provisioning Azure resources in a declarative manner. Bicep is a kind of wrapper on top of ARM templates. Basically, Bicep will be converted into ARM templates. So this conversion is called as transpilation. And once the Bicep code is converted into ARM templates, those will be submitted into ARM engine. And finally, your Azure resources will be created inside Azure. Bicep is very simple and human readable, and it's very crisp than ARM templates. Anything that can be created with ARM templates can also be created using Bicep. So Bicep has a playground. I have taken this screenshot from Bicep playground. The link of the Bicep playground will be provided in the comments. So if you look at this diagram, on the left hand side, it hardly takes 4 lines of code to print hello world using Bicep script. But if you have to print the same hello world text using ARM templates, it would take around 20 plus lines of code. So Bicep is very crisp, and whatever you can do with ARM templates, same things can be done using Bicep. So we will learn more about biceps in the upcoming tutorials. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.